In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Microsoft Teams account from your PC. Whether you're switching accounts or simply cleaning up your digital space, removing a Teams account can sometimes be necessary. Rest assured, it's quite simple. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you're comfortable with each part of the process before moving on to the next. To begin, let's sign out of the Microsoft Teams application. Open up the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. You'll want to locate your profile picture, which is typically found in the top right corner of the application window. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Sign Out. This action disconnects your account from the Teams app, but be aware that it doesn't fully remove it from your system just yet. It's an important first step, though, to ensure that you're no longer linked to any active sessions. Having signed out of Microsoft Teams, our next phase is removing the account from Windows settings entirely. This is particularly crucial if you want to make sure there are no traces of it left on your PC. To start, simultaneously press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut brings up the Windows Settings menu, a hub for managing various system preferences and account details. Once you're in the Settings window, navigate to Accounts. You'll notice a second option labeled Email and Accounts. Click on this to delve further into account settings. This section includes a category that lists accounts used by other apps. Here is where you should see your Microsoft Teams account among any others you might have used. Locate your Microsoft Teams account in this list. When you find it, click on it to select it. You'll see an option to remove the account. Click Remove, and a prompt will likely appear to confirm that you really want to take this action. Go ahead and confirm. And just like that, your Microsoft Teams account is officially removed from your PC. Remember, while removing the